Good afternoon, Pottinger's class.
Good afternoon.
All right, well, that wasn't very exciting. Can we have some enthusiasm in our voice, maybe? 1.4 multiplying decimals. Did we just finish this? Yeah. Okay, here we go. Decimal. Where do decimals live on a number line, class? Where do they live on a number line?
Between 0 and 1.
Yes, they live between 0 and 1. Now, decimals, they are always going to be smaller than what number?
1.
They're always going to be less than or smaller than the number 1, right?
Yes.
Okay. Place value, we know place value, the value of a number based on its position. We're good there. Okay. So we were working on multiplying decimals. Eyes up here. We had 29 times 18, yes?
Yes.
We also had 29 times 1 and 8/10. Really, our digits are the same. The only difference between problem 3 and problem 4 is there's one decimal point right there, right?
Yes.
Look at the work here. Look at this work and look at this work right here. Even the carrying numbers. Is the work and the carrying numbers and everything the same?
Yes.
Yeah, everything is the exact same when you're multiplying integers and decimals, especially if it's the exact same problem, right? The only difference is the ending. Here our answer was 522, yes?
Yes.
Here our answer was 52 and 2/10. The reason we have a decimal point in there is because it was a decimal problem. Class, how many numbers are after the decimal point in 29?
0.
There are none. We have an invisible decimal point there, but there are no numbers after it, right? How many numbers are after the decimal point in 1 and 8/10?
1.
So how many total numbers are after the decimal point in the problem?
1.
How many total numbers must be after the decimal point in the answer?
1.
Say again?
1.
Okay, does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay, so we have 2 numbers after the decimal point here, yes?
Yes.
Nope, we're going to say it in a normal voice. Because we had 2 numbers after the decimal point in our original problem, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, sweet. Okay, this problem is written going across its page, yes?
Yes.
It is 76 hundredths times 2 and 4/10. 76 hundredths times 2 and 4/10. This is always going to be what are we going to do when it's written horizontally? That's going to be called a what?
Rewrite.
It's called a rewrite. Okay, again, we have our, eyes up here still, eyes up here. We have our numbers. We go ahead and solve it like we solve integers, yes?
Yes.
Put your decimal point in. Last one. Here we have the number written horizontally again, right?
Yes.
You with me?
Yes.
Why did we put 7 hundredths on top? Why did someone raise your hand and tell me, why did we put 7 hundredths on top? Lils, why did we put 7 hundredths on top? Yeah, she said because you have less to multiply. You always put the number with the less amount of digits or with the least amount of digits on the bottom. The number with more digits on top. True or false?
True.
We good?